Okay, so what we're also going to do today is we're going to revise expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. So well, first thing we need to do is make sure the units of the two numbers are the same. If they're not, convert one of them to the same unit as the other. So make sure that they're the same units. Write it down as a fraction. So you've got your first quantity, one quantity is percentage of another. First quantity goes on top, the second quantity goes on the bottom, and then multiply the fraction by 100%. So looking at an example, what percentage is 8 grams out of 32 grams? Now, looking at the units, they're both grams, so they're the same. We don't need to convert anything. So 8 grams out of 32, make it a fraction. So 8 over 32 times 100%. Put that in your calculator. Your answer will come out as 25%. All right, having a look at our second example, example B, write 50 cents out of $2.50 as a percentage. Now looking at our units, they are different. So we need to convert them, at least one of them, so it's the same unit as the other. So what I've said is first convert $2.50 to 250 cents. So once we've done that, we've got them both in the same unit. Now I write my fraction 50 cents over $2, 250, 50 over 250 times 100%, put it into my calculator, and the answer comes out at 20%. So looking at these further ones that you're going to do, is you're going to do these ones. Now looking at that first question, grams and grams. So for the first one, you're going to write down 5 over 200. You're going to multiply it by 100%. The 100 goes into your calculator. The percent's going to go into your answer. Now you're going to do them. The second one is kilometres and kilometres. So you can go straight. Now this last one is metres and kilometres. So I suggest you change that 1 kilometre into metres. And then this last one is 200 cents out of $1. So again, that last one, change your $1 perhaps to 100 cents. Now when you do that, your fraction is going to be 200 over 100. That is fine. Set that up, multiply it by 100 and see what answer you got. Now over here we've got cents and dollars, so we've got to convert that's dollars to cents. We've got seconds and minutes, so we're going to convert the 1 minute to 60 seconds. We've got milliliters out of a half a litre, so maybe convert that half litre to milliliters, and then you've got marks and marks, so they are the same. Okay, so have a go at those. When you finish those, you should get through those without any problems. Come over here and have a go at these, I guess, worded questions. Get your parents to read them to you probably, but the first one says copy and complete the table of the favourite summer sports of Year 9 students. Now it's got the number of students who chose the sports. There's your total there. You're going to add up all those numbers to put your total in, and then your fraction of the total is going to be, say, swimming 44 over whatever the fraction is, whatever the total is, sorry, to give you your fraction, and then you're going to multiply it by 100% to get the percentage. Down here it says Tony loves 31.5 cents in the dollar in tax, loses 31 cents in the dollar in tax. Express this as a percentage. And again, I'll get you to get your parents to read you those last ones. I'll read it. Bad weather stopped the cricket game for 35 minutes out of a scheduled 3.5 hour match. What percentage of the scheduled time was lost? This one is Joe lost 4 kilograms and now weighs 60 kilograms. What percentage of his original weight did he lose? And the last one, the company claims that the apple pies it makes are 97% fat-free. If the nutritional information on the side of the pack states that its total fat is 7 grams of the 250 gram pie, is the claim correct?